Now, it's time to add the park fees for the itinerary. Click into the park fees section to begin. Let's start with Lake Manyara. Here, we'll add both the concession fee, also referred to as the bed levy, and the conservation fee, which covers park entry. Once those are added, we'll move on to Taranjaya. In Taranjaya, we'll do the same. Add the conservation fee and the concession fee for the nights spent in the park. Next, we'll handle the transfer day between Taranjaya and Serengeti, which falls on day 4. Since we'll be passing through the Ngorongoro Conservation Area, NCAA, we need to add the NCAA transit fee. Then, in the Serengeti, we'll add both the concession and conservation fees. These apply for each day spent in the park, except for the final day. You'll notice the last day in the Serengeti is automatically included, but you can uncheck it if it's not needed. Finally, when we return to Arusha, no park fees are required, so we can skip that section. And that's it. All relevant park and conservation fees are now applied. Click Next to move on to costings.